All right, everyone, in this video, we are going to be breaking down my record monster day trading gold, 146,231. And the best part about all of this, the best part is that all the signals were sent completely free to our free VIP Gold Signals group. It's 100% free. Anybody can join this. The link is below this video or in my bio, depending on where you're watching this. The link is free to join this group, where I tell everybody where I'm looking to buy, where I'm looking to sell, and my areas of take profit. Now, this is the way I trade. This might not be the way you trade. You might not like my style of trading, but this is the way I trade, and this is what works for me day in and day out. So the gold signals are 100% free, followed by our free Discord group community, where everybody basically posts their profits. And we have people in here every day posting profits from $180 to $200, $4,000. I mean, the sky's the limit. Some people post $70 in profit. Some people are posting $532 in profit, $350. I mean, we got one member here that's posting, a couple $1,000. So again, everybody every day is posting wins, posting losses, very, very minimum losses. So again, just to be transparent, this person did 459. But I want to talk about why I was looking to buy this trade and why I looked to sell this trade. And it's Friday, no better way to end the week, going to the weekend with a large green day. So these signals have basically been it's almost like 100% win rate. I mean, there's some times we'll get in these trades and we get stopped out, but we jump back in, and then not only do we recover that small loss, but we make it back 10 times over. So, and I always tell people, when you get into a trade and the trade goes in your direction, adjust that stop loss to like either break even or some sort of small profit. You never want to let a winning trade become a losing trade, right? So you always need to adjust that. Like I tell people, you can always get back in a trade, guys. You can always get back in a trade. So just get in a trade and maybe get stopped out. All right, well, guess what? They faked you out. So you get back in. So I told everybody, buying gold, very first signal today was buying gold at 5,000. Want to see it basically push up to take profit 1, 2, 3, 5,006, right? Nice little pop to the upside. So these are my trades on the chart. The little green triangles are the trade. So I bought it, popped up, right? Closed it out, basically scaled out. And then what ended up happening was, right, I jumped out of this trade, scaling out. Then I flipped it, I reversed it, right? I wanted to see it basically sell off on the back end because it was basically struggling, right? It was basically struggling hardcore up here in this zone area. I'm like, this one's not pushing, this one's not breaking. So this is basically when I flip-flop. I basically told everybody, all right, I'm not feeling this one. And again, I was live on YouTube. So this was 100% live on YouTube. So you guys can go to my YouTube channel, click on live, and you guys will see the most recent live one. And I'll update the description. But then I told everybody selling at 5,001.35, and then followed by the areas of take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and then here's the trade, right? Once she started selling off, boom, jumped in this one, and then that's when we had this big massive sell-off to take profit 1. Take profit 2, take profit 3. She's tested this take profit 3 area, kind of pushed up a little bit, and then she had a big massive sell-off. And when she had that big massive sell-off, that's when we started basically close out the trade here. Boom. But that's why you see all these little green triangles are basically me closing partial position. If I hover over it, you'll say buy one lot. It says buy one lot because I basically sold. Because I sold, I basically have to buy back, right? So I bought one lot. So I'm basically just scaling out of this, okay? So I also have the live trade here for you guys. So you guys can see that was basically in this trade live, big sell-off, and again, monster day for me. I told everybody yesterday on Twitter, Instagram, Discord, I'd be going live today. We were gonna have a great, solid day. This is my biggest day ever, my biggest day ever. Trading gold, and I told people this over and over again. Gold, you can make a lot of fucking money, a lot of money. It does take a lot of skill, and it is one of the harder things to trade. In my opinion, it's harder to trade than US 30 National 100. US 30 National 100 is very easy to trade in my opinion, but gold is very, very hard. The good thing about gold is gold, you don't need a big account to trade it, right? Gold, US30 NOS 100, you need at least $30,000 account, but with gold, you can basically trade this with $100. You give $100 to your name and start trading this one. So awesome day today. Very excited, going to go out tonight, this whole weekend, and basically celebrate. Definitely gonna go celebrate. Hard work pays off. I've been doing this a long time. I've learned from the best. Learned from my brother, uncles, cousins, friends. I mean, I've learned and from as many people as possible. So, with trading, you really gotta tell people this. You really gotta eat, sleep, and breathe this. You gotta use a good broker, not a prop firm. You're not going to achieve these results with a prop firm. I really hate to say it, but you're not gonna achieve results like this with a prop firm before they eventually kick you off and ban you. So again, you definitely got to use some sort of broker, and I recommend using the same broker as me. The link is obviously below this video. All my links are below this video, so if you guys are interested in using the same broker, tap in. And again, I have the free Discord, free Telegram, all that. So that's basically it for the trades. My trades today. As you guys can see, just awesome day. It's all right there, crystal clear, black and white. Biggest day, biggest profit ever with gold. And again, we're going to keep putting the signals out there for you guys, and hopefully you guys make as much money as possible off of them. So subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below what you think, and I'll catch all you dudes in the next one.